Guys, this is more tutorial how we can do futures trading. I know some of you are confused. How can I do futures trading? What is futures? Futures or perpetual are trading where you can be able to leverage the amount of money you are using to trade. Let's say you have $100. Increase that $100 to $1,000 trading volume, or like you have $1,000, you can actually increase it to 100,000 trading volume. So that's what futures is. You see, to trade, this is a Bybit account, trade, and then as you can see, we have spot here and we have futures. Let's say we go to futures, and then if Solana USDT, now we want to trade Solana. How do we trade Solana? Now the first thing you should know is that we have what we call isolated. This isolated right here is it controls your liquidity. Let's say you have like $200 in your account, and then you want to trade with $100. Now once you trade with $100, if this your futures account is unisolated, and then in that your trade start going wrong, and then you end up liquidating your account, once this account is in isolated, it will not jump over to the remaining $100. But if it is in cross, it means that this account, once you have liquidated your $100, it will switch over to the remaining $100. Okay, we have portfolio and more details, but these two are one of the most common: isolated and cross. So now I've switched it back to isolated. Now we have leverage. What are leverage? Leverage helps you to increase your capital, your assets. So let's say we have like I said before, let's say we have like $100 and we want to increase it to $200 or $400, $500 trading volume. Now this is where leverage comes in. As you can see, I'm on a 10 times leverage, meaning if I have $100 as my trading volume here, once I put in a 10x trading volume, it means that I have actually been times by 10. That is 100 plus 100 plus 100 plus 100. That is 1,000. So this leverage is good, but it's also very deadly, as it can lead to your liquidation. The higher your leverage, the higher your liquidation and the higher the gain. Let's say you are on profit, your profit will be massive. Let's say you have like 50x leverage on a $100 account. It means that your gain will be above someone who is just trading with normal $100 account without using leverage. And again, your losses will also be greater than somebody who is trading with a normal $100 account. So these things you need to know about leverage is you want to buy. So let's say you want to buy, we have what we call limit order, we have what we call market order, we have what we call conditional, we have chase limit order. Let's say we have market order here. Let's put it in market. It means that you are buying this exact coin. Let's say Solana is at 156.100. We are buying Solana at the rate of 156.100 right now. So if you put it in market order, you are purchasing the trade at the rate. And then if you put it in limit, in this limit you get to choose the limit which you want to buy. Let's say you want to buy Solana once Solana drops to 150, and then you buy. You click on long or short depending on the trade you want to go for, or you want to buy Solana when Solana hits $200. So if you should put $200, that means that if you should go for long, whenever Solana hits $200, that is when your trade will activate. Okay, or you go for short, once Solana hits $200, that is when your trade will activate. And then we go to take profit and stop loss. You already know how to position your take profit and stop losses depending on how you want it to be. As you can see, this is my take profit and stop loss. You put your stop loss, you put your take profit, and so forth. So these two positions, either you go for long position or you go for short position. Going for long position means that you are saying that the trade will go up. Are you getting? And then if you are going for short position, you are saying that your trade will go short. So guys, and also this is how you can check your trading signals, your market movement and everything. You click on this candle here. As you can see, once you click on this candle, charts, or you click on chart, as you can see, this is my trend This is my market trend. You can see this is my market trend. As you can see, we are in 3 minutes. You can change it to 15 minutes. You can change it to 1 seconds, depending on whichever time you prefer. You can change it to a whole day. So that is your time frame. You can see, you can change it to this time frame, and you can use indicators. You can use indicators. These are various indicators which you can use. As you are going far, you'll be understanding. So guys, make sure to follow, subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to like and comment.